Hello cool people, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is Olympiad question with fractions. So let's start. What is the question here? Bala had some marbles. 3 by 8 of them were orange and the rest were purple. He gave away all of the orange marbles and sold 3 by 4 of the purple marbles. What fraction of his marbles did he have left? Read the question carefully and understand it, what they given, what we have to find. We have to find the fraction of his marbles did he have left, and he had some marbles. 3 by 8 of them were orange and rest were purple. So let's see how to solve this problem. 3 by 8 of them were orange. So remaining 1 minus 3 by 8 equals to 8 minus 3 by 8. 8 minus 3 is 5. 5 by 8. He gave away all of the orange marbles. So he was left with only purple marbles. This means he was left with 1 by 4th of the purple marbles because he sold 3 by 4th of the purple marbles. 3 by 4 remaining only 1 by 4 since 5 by 8 of the total marbles were purple and he was left with 1 by 4th of the purple marbles. The fraction of marbles he had left is 1 by 4 multiplied by 5 by 8. 5 multiplied by 1 is 5 and 4 8 are 32. 5 by 32. So Bala had 5 by 32 of his marbles left. So this is the answer. To recap, let's take a quick look at the entire solution one more time. Watch till the end to see how I solve this question. Thank you for watching. If you have any doubt, please ask me in the comment section. Now we'll see another question. 40 children in class 5 sold an average of 19 charity tickets. There were 8 more boys than the girls in the class. The average number of charity tickets sold by the boys was 15. Find the average number of charity tickets sold by the girls. Read the question carefully and understand it, what they given, what we have to find it. We have to find the average number of charity tickets sold by the girls, and in the class 40 children are there. Average of charity tickets are 15. So let's see how to solve this question. Total tickets equals to 40 multiplied by 19 equals to 760. Number of girls 8 less than number of boys. We have to subtract from the total children. 40 minus 8 equals to 32. Number of girls equals to 32 divided by 2. 2 1 ja 2. 2 16 ja 32. So number of girls are 16. Number of boys are 16 plus 8 equals to 24. Total tickets sold by boys equals to 24 multiplied by 15. 24 15 ja 360. Total tickets sold by girls 760 minus 360 equals to 400. Average number of tickets sold by girls 400 divided by number of girls are 16. 16 1 ja 16. 16 25 ja 425 tickets sold by the girls. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. For a clear understanding, let's review the full solution again. Take a few seconds to go through the entire video and see how I solve this problem.